Hello, my peeps, and welcome to another Power Packed Phillips podcast. Some MSAs for you to read.
Cool. Hey guys, I've sold 550 boxes and my goal is 1,000, so could you keep please buying for my dad, please? Thanks.
Don't forget that tomorrow's FCAT Rights,
Oh man!
but you can earn an out-of-dress code wristband for working hard on FCAT Rights. You should use the entire 60 minutes. Here's an estimate of how long you should be working on your planning, how long you should be working on the 5-paragraph essay, and how long you should be proofreading and making corrections if you want your out of dress code wristband. Alrighty, let's get started with today's notes. Today's notes will be on lesson 8.1 again. This will be part 2. We will do a quick review. In our last podcast on lesson 8.1, we talked about the product of powers properties. We had a problem that looked like this: x to the fourth times x to the third. Notice that x to the fourth would be 4 x's. X to the third would be 3 x's. So that gives us a total of 7 x's. Here's our total of 7 x's right here. And we said that when we were multiplying powers, so we're multiplying powers with the same base, there's our same base, we just add the exponents. So we said a shortcut here would be 4 plus 3 gives us x to the 7th power. Now for our new problem, we're going to talk about the power of a power property. Power of a power property. No, not p to the 4th. That would only be p to the 3rd power. Come on. Alright, so if you would, write this problem on your paper. Parentheses 2 to the 5th power, parentheses 3. This is what we call a power of a power. What this simply means is we would write 2 to the 5th power 3 times. So I have it written once, twice, 3 times. Well, my base is the same in each of these expressions. That would be a 2, so there's our base of 2. And notice, if we add the exponents here, 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 gives us an exponent of 15. But, yes, there is a shortcut. So here's a shortcut, and you might want to write it down. To find a power of a power, we simply multiply the exponents. Your shortcut, write it down. To find a power of a power, you simply multiply the exponents. So we have a power to a power. We are going to multiply the exponents. So we do 5 times 3. 5 times 3 gives us 15. So this would be 2 to the 15th power. There's your shortcut. Alright, a few more examples. Please write down this expression on your paper. We have a bracket, parentheses, -6, parentheses 2, bracket 5. Notice that we have a power to a power. So we said the quickest way to do a power to a power would be to multiply. So we are going to multiply the 2 and the 5. We're doing a power to a power, and you have the same base, multiply 2 times 5. 2 times 5 gives us 10, so this would be parentheses, negative 6 is our base to the 10th power. 2 more examples. Now let's work with a variable. Nice vocab. Power play, Chicago Blackhawks. Why? It's not football season anymore. Come on. We have a power to a power. So this would be 2 times 4. 2 times 4 gives us 8, so we have x to the 8th power. And I believe there is one more example. Last example. Catchy tune, I know. We have a bracket, parentheses, the quantity, peas and carrots. Y plus 2, parentheses, 6, bracket, 2. We have a power to a power, so we're going to multiply. So we're going to do 6 times 2. That's going to give us parentheses, y plus 2, peas and carrots. 6 times 2 gives us 12. I'm going to jet out of here. And as you can see, is a power to a power hard? No! Of course not. See ya.